Hello students, today I am going to deliver my lecture number 17, Unit 1. Unit 1 of this book, Oxford Progressive English of Class 2. Open your page 8, Unit 1, Lesson 6, Reading I Am Busy. Part A, Oral. As you read the story, ask yourself, was Will telling the truth? You can see the flying elephant in the story. Wolf, there is a flying elephant in the garden. This is a picture of Will. Number 2, Mom, a flying elephant is pulling up the tree. You can see. I am busy now. Tell your father. Number 3, Dad, a flying elephant is standing on your car. Not now. Will tell your brother. Number 4, a flying elephant is breaking your guitar. I am busy now. Will tell your sister. Number 5, Look, a flying elephant is taking your new top. I am busy now. We'll go and play with the elephant. Number 6, My garden. Oh no, my guitar. Oh, my new top. My car. Students, you can see a flying elephant in this story. Will told his mother, father and sister, but they thought he's telling a lie. An elephant broke all the things. Open your next page, page 9. Part A, Oral. Lesson 7, Sentence and Writing. Part A, Oral. What were they doing? Ask and answer 5 questions about the people in the story. Example: what was Will doing? He was playing football. What was Will's mother doing? She was cooking. What was Will's father doing? He was watching TV. What was Will's brother doing? He was playing on his computer. What was Will's sister doing? She was doing her homework. Part B, Oral. Where were they? Ask and answer 5 more questions like this. Example: where was Will? He was in the garden. Where was Will's mother? She was in the kitchen. Where was Will's father? He was in the living room. Where was Will's brother? He was in his bedroom. Where was Will's sister? She was in her bedroom. Part C, Oral. Part C is Oral. Write sentences about the story in your notebook. Example: the flying elephant flew away with Will. The flying elephant broke a guitar. The flying elephant stood on the car. The flying elephant took a new top. The flying elephant pulled up the tree. Part D. Part D, Language. Fill in the missing words. Use the plan to make your own story. First draw 6 pictures, then write what the people say in speech bubbles. Number 1. I was eating a mango when the lion came to lunch. I said, "Whoa, I love your hair." Number 2. My father was watering the garden. He said, "Don't stand on my flowers." Number 3. My mother was talking on the phone. She said, "Help." Number 4. My sister was reading a book. She said, "I am busy. Tell your brother." Number 5. My brother was playing cricket. He said, "Run, it's a lion." Number 6. In the end, the lion came in and we all ate dinner together. Now we do word sentences. First of all, make a title page. We will make a title page. OPE in unit number 1, word sentences, literature. Word sentences. Number 1, skipping. Pizza is skipping. Number 2, car. I have a car. Number 3, flower. I like red flower. Number 4, lion. Lion is a dangerous animal. Number 5, elephant. Elephant is a big animal. Number 6, busy. I am busy. Number 7, like. I like painting. Number 8, tall. I am very tall. Grammar tree, chapter number 1 2. Now open your grammar tree book. This book. Open your page number 1, chapter number 1, naming words. The picture and the naming words below them have got mixed up. Draw a line from the naming word to the picture it matches. One has been done for you. Hippopotamus, match with hippopotamus. Computer, match with the picture of computer. Lorry, Match with the picture of lorry, bicycle. Match with the picture of bicycle, airplane, leg. Book, match with book. Sheep, match with sheep. Stars, match with star. Television, match with television. Chicken, monkey. Next page, page number 2. Chapter number 2, nouns. What is noun? Noun is a naming word. So long we have been calling the names of things, places, animals, people, etc. naming words. In grammar, a naming word is called a noun. All naming words like sky, moon, stars, elephant, giraffe, baby, bus, window, house, pencil, book, etc. are nouns. Underline the nouns in the following sentences. Noun. Noun is a naming word. Okay. Number 1. The rose is a beautiful flower. The rose is a beautiful flower. In this sentence, we underline the word of rose and flower. Number 2. The boy made a sandwich and put it on the plate. Boy, sandwich, plate are nouns. Number 3. Sun. The sun shone brightly. Sun. Underline the word sun. Number 4. We can see the moon and stars at night. Underline the word moon, stars, night. Number 5. She ate a pizza and drank a glass of milk. Pizza, glass, milk. Number 6. The monkey is hanging from the branch by its tail. Underline the word monkey, branch, tail. Number 7. Children like to watch cartoons on television. Underline the word children, cartoons, television. Number 8. I like to read stories about witches and wizards. Underline the word stories, witches, wizards. Number 9. The doctor gave me some medicine. Doctor, medicine. Number 10. He fell from the swing and broke his arm. Underline the word swim, arm. Now your lecture is over.